Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a border here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a border in Canva is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the overall look and functionality of your design. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project that you're working with. If you haven't already, just click on Create a Design. In my case, I'm going to be clicking on the YouTube thumbnails because after recording this video, we are going to create an engaging YouTube channel or YouTube thumbnail for our tutorial for today. Now in the elements, type in border. That's for one. Press enter. See, these are gonna be some of the borders that you can use here in Canva. Of course, all of the Pro has the watermark, and for you to be able to eliminate the Pro watermark, you have to pay for the premium plan. All right. Now, just select the border that is free, for example this one right here, and I'm going to add my own specific image. Now if you go to the video right here, say for example you're going to add a free video, this one right here, I'm make it a little bit like this one right here. So there's a lot that you can play with on the border. All right, so with that, and I'm gonna add this one, this image again here. These are some of the ways where you can add a border. All right. Now I'm gonna drag all of these elements together. I'm gonna group them all, so it's a lot easier to work with right here. And again, I'm going to the elements and select another border that I wanted. Maybe this time I'm gonna be selecting this gold border. You see that? Now you can be interactive with it. You can go to the elements again, go to frames. There's going to be this one. I'm going to add an image here for this kind of border. I'm going to be choosing this, say for example, this image right here. I'm going to use this image right here. You see that? Now, part of being creative is if you hover to the elements again, I want you to click on the frames, because the frames is something that not only you're adding borders, you can also put in an image inside the shape here. Now, what I mean by that is if you go to the video again, I'm gonna put in maybe this image right here. No, video. You see that? It's very interactive, right? I'm gonna add another frame, like a border one. This time, this canvas. It has like a cool effect of a border. And I'm gonna hover again to the videos right here and add another video, which is, let me choose one for you guys. How about this one right here? Drag it here. Now, if you want to add a manual border, you can also do that by clicking on elements, click on all, click on the shapes. For example, this line right here. You can manually choose the thickness of that into something like this. All right. It's a little bit, let me just decrease the thickness. I'm gonna copy this again. I'm gonna rotate it to a vertical position. I'm gonna maximize this to create a semi border. See that? So there's multiple ways for you to add a border. Now, I'm gonna choose the color of this. Say for example, this is that. This is gonna be multicolored. maybe a yellow. This is gonna be like a green. This is like a purple, or so these are some of the ways to create a border. Now, I'm gonna go to the background wherein we're going to add a dynamics within our created borders. You see that? These are some of the ways to create a border. I'm going to add another photo here. Now, this is gonna be the image that I'm going to add here in this one. Now, I'm just gonna align the border so that it would fit our image. Okay, so you can do all this. Gonna make sure it sits right to the color that we wanted on our design. See that? I'm gonna click on next. So this is basically the I'm gonna make it like a different color so it pops out. I'm gonna choose a different font style like this. All right, on the effects, maybe something like this one, or maybe this. I'm gonna make it like pop out. You see that? I'm gonna increase that image. Now, once I'm happy, I'm just gonna make sure that this is correct. I'm gonna click the preview button to see if the design aligns with our vision and goal. Because borders help create a more organized layout by visually grouping related items together, making it easier for viewers to process information. Now, for documents that include lists or bullet points, borders can help visually separate different sections, making them easier to read. Now, as you can see, borders provides a cohesive look across multiple elements in your design, helping to tie everything together visually. It can be used strategically to guide viewers' attention to specific parts of the design, enhancing the overall flow of information. Especially that in events programs, borders can organize information, making it easier for the attendees to see the presentation very dynamically. All right? Adding borders to your designs in Canva is a simple yet effective way to enhance clarity, aesthetics, and functionality. Once you're happy with this design, I'm gonna close it, click on share, and you might want to share it to your multiple freelancers, team members, or your clients to work with. You have all these. You can create a public view link, or you can download all of these via a MP4, a PDF, PNG, and JPEG. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.